First of all, visit to app.mauzo.net and log in with correct admin credentials that is recommended. After login, it will be redirected to Mauzo dashboard. To manage user details, click on System Setup menu and click on User Role. Here you can create user roles for users. First give role name, then description, then you need to assign roles like who can view, edit, delete, print and import records. Then we will go to Users. It will be redirected to User List page. To add new user, click on Add button. It will redirect it to User Details entry page. Kindly note that it is recommended to fill all the required details. After entering all the required details, click on Save or Save and Add New button. New user will be listed immediately. To update any user, click on the particular user. It will load saved user details where it will allow to make changes in data. For an instance, after doing all the required changes, click on Update button to finish process. Now let's see how to inactive any user. For that, click on the particular user. After user details load, you will have to scroll down the page to bottom. Now, click on Inactive option to mark it and hit the Update button. Here, on user listing page, it will update the status from no to yes or vice versa. To delete any user, click on the particular record of the user which is required to delete. Kindly note, once record deleted will not be recalled. Click on Delete button. It will ask for the confirmation where Yes option will delete the record permanently. Then we have Currency option. Here we will add currency. For add currency, click on Add. Then enter currency name and symbol. You can also add description. Then click on Save. We can also import currency. Then we have exchange rate. To add exchange rate, click on Add, then select currency name, select exchange rate date. Then scroll down and add exchange rate details, then click on Save. Then we have reporting structure. In reporting structure, first we need to set reporting configuration. If reporting configuration not set, then data is not display here. So we have already set reporting configuration for sales order. Select employee or manager. Then click on Save. Then we have company profile. In company profile we need to add company details. Then we will go to master. In master first, we have product category. In product category, we click on Add. Then enter name and save. We can also import data. Then we will go to product group. Click on Add, then enter product group name and save. We can also import data, then we will go to unit of measure. We will add symbol, decimal point and description and click on Save. We can also import data. Then after we have tax type, to add new tax, we will click on Add, then enter the details, like tax type name, tax rate and If any description, then click on Save. Then we will click on Product, so here we will get all products. For Add New Products, click on Add. Then enter the details like barcode, product name, then we will select product category, then product group, base unit of measure, sales tax type name, and we can also add photos, then click on Save. Then we have customer. For Add New Customer, first click on Add, then enter details like customer group, customer name, price list, tax number, currency, mobile, and address. We can also add customer photos. Then we have supplier. For Add New Supplier, we follow process same as customer. Then after, we have price list. For Add New Price List, first, we click on Add, then enter the details, like price list name, type, rate type and currency. Then scroll down and click on Add Item, select Part No and enter the details as per requirement. Then we have Terminal. Terminal shows how many times the employee logins to different devices. It shows the unique device number. Then we have Tender Type. Click on it, then click on Add, enter the details like short code, name, tender print name, nature type, currency and description, then click on Save. Then we have Route Management. We will select salesperson route from here and assign route to any salesperson. For Create Route, first, we need to click on Add, then enter the route name, then select starting point and destination and enter total visiting hours. In Location Details, click on Add New Records, then select the locations, and after selecting all the location, click on Save. Then we have Route Schedule. In Route Schedule, we will schedule a route for any salesperson. For Route Schedule, select the date and employee, and click on Date, then Add New Record, enter start time and route name. Then enter end time, and click on Save. So the route is assigned to particular employee on particular date. Then we have User Live Location. In User Live Location, we can see the user location. Then we have Sales. So first, sales order. We will see all the sales order here created by salesperson. Admin can change the order status like approved, pending, packed, delivered and assign level. We can also create sales order from here. For Create Order, click on Add, then select Customer, enter all details. Then in Sales Order Details, enter product code. Then quantity, rate, and if any discount. You can also add as many products as you want. Then after, click on Save. Then we have follow-up notes. Sales executive add follow-up notes from application. So admin can see all the follow-up notes. We can also add follow-up notes from here. Then we have receipt. Admin can see all the receipt created by all sales executive from application. We can also add from here. For Create Receipt, click on Add, select Customer, then select Payment Mode, select Currency and Amount, then click on Save. Then we have Expense. Admin can see all the expense created by all sales executive from application. We can import expense data and also add from here. To add expense, first click in Add and enter the details. Like expense to supplier, customer or any other, select Payment Mode. Then select expense type like fuel, hotel room, parking, mobile recharge, and many more. After that, enter amount and click on Save. Then we have competitor. For Add competitor, first, we click on Add. Then enter competitor name, product name, price. Select customer name, and remarks. We can also include photos, then click on Save. Then we have task. We can add task from here. For adding task, first we click Add. Then enter title, description, task type, due date, time, outcome, salesperson, customer name, and if any another salesperson, so we will select and click on Save. Then we have survey. For creating survey, click on Add. Then enter survey name. And add question. And select answer type like date, time, text, selection, multi-selection. You can add questions as many as you want, then click on Save. After that we have survey response. We can see survey response from here. Then we have different types of reports, like miscellaneous reports, master reports, and transaction reports. So we can see any reports from here.